Hey everyone, how's it going? This is TJ. Today we are taking a look at this all new iPhone 12 in blue color. Let's get to it. Peeling off this plastic and let's pull up this front lid. And wow, this blue looks stunning. I am really digging this blue color, especially these aluminum sides. So it's a really deep blue color. The back of it is totally reflective. Alright, let's peel off this paper. Let's keep the phone aside and see the fun part. So now we only get just the charging cable, no power brick and no earpods. And the cable is a USB-C to Lightning cable. So if you have a USB-A adapter, you'll have to go and buy a new one. That's just crazy. And then we get some documents, SIM ejector and a single Apple sticker. That's really surprising that you get the Apple sticker and no adapter. I mean, the sticker are so useless, and why don't you just give us an adapter? And here's a previous iPhone 11 Pro box compared to the 12. You can see how slim this year box is. That's just by removing earpods and power brick. And Apple is saying they are doing this for environment. I mean, what should we say? Leaving that aside, I like this blue text on the box. Apple still makes the box of their iPhone look great. Alright, let's check out this blue color now. Okay, let's boot it up. I must say I'm a fan of this color. It just looks stunning, especially the aluminum sides. I know a lot of people were really hating on this color, but personally it looks cool. To be honest, I wasn't thinking of getting this color, but when I saw it in display, I fell for it. You just have to see it in person. The pictures and videos can't do justice. I think this year's iPhone 12 is a big upgrade compared to the iPhone 11, especially because of the OLED display. Don't get me wrong, I like the LED display, but the 11 and 10R displays were just not that great. But this year, we are getting the same display as the 12 Pro with slim bezels as well. And the A14 chip is really the fastest chip in the iPhone ever. It totally beats out all the competitions of the other smartphones. This year, we are also getting the night mode for all the cameras. That means the wide, ultra wide and front facing, all cameras can do night mode pictures. I think this year's iPhone 12 is really nice if you're looking for a new iPhone right now, and it can do basically everything that the 12 Pro offers. Just the telephoto camera is missing. And minus the LiDAR sensor as well. Alright guys, that was it. And I really love this blue color. Do check it out if you get a chance to check in display unit. And more content will be coming soon, so don't forget to subscribe to my channel. Hit the like button if you enjoyed watching this video. And I'll catch you in the next one.